Here's how to set an iPhone ringtone on Android. Now, if you wanted your Android phone to ring as if it were an iPhone, I'll show you how to do it. But first, if this helps you out, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we need to do is head into the Play Store here. You can't do this just with the built-in apps on your Android phone, but there is a free option on here. Just tap on search, and you can just search for iPhone ringtone. Now, a great option on here is Zedge. It has wallpapers and ringtones. You can see 500 million downloads. Just tap install and then open it up. Now, you don't necessarily need to pay for this. You can just hit the X at the top right. And now what we're going to do is hit the search button, and we're just going to search for iPhone on here and hit go. Now, of course, this is for ringtones. So let's tap on ringtones here. And you can see a bunch of different ones. You can see the very first one. I can hit play and listen to that ringtone. And if you're good with that, that's just the default iPhone ringtone. I can tap on it. And then I can tap on the download button at the bottom center. So just tap on download here. And it says, what would you like to do? In this case, I want this to be my ringtone when someone calls me. So hit set ringtone. And it says basically everything's updated, but you might want to make sure it is actually updated. So let's swipe up from here and go to your settings. And then scroll down and tap on sounds and vibration midway down. And now you can see ringtone towards the middle. Tap on ringtone and you can see it's set to iPhone. So it's not the normal Galaxy Bells or whatever other one. You can see it is iPhone. Of course, you can always hit the minus button if you wanted to delete that or just download other ringtones from that app as well. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.